You just talked about exampleमा चाहिँ हेर्ने भनेर होइन मैले अघि न हामी बाहिर बस्दाखेरि मैले भन्न खोजेको कुरा त्यही थियो कि मैले if I'm going to look up to friends who've already tried it and who've probably already failed होइन so right in the get-go हजुर तिनैजनालाई के सोध्नु मन छ भने मलाई चाहिँ मेन्टर्सको हिसाबले चाहिँ who did you look up to एकजना मान्छे भनेर मैले सोध्न खोजेँ होइन like who did you look up to? What kind of businesses did you look up to before you went ahead and just jumped into like, okay, I'm going to start a business. Okay?
For me, I mean, that's a really good question. Like for you to be successful, I think you need a lot of skills. Like you need say marketing maola, branding maola, sales maola, HR maola, strategy maola. So you could look at different people. You could sort of look at different people's strategy and try to bring that in. And I think something that really helped me was like working in that industry for a long time. That 10,000 hours that, you need to put in that hard work, understand. अब आफ्नो पैसा लगानी गरेर day one देखि सिक्न थाल्यो भने त डुब्छ. First you need to work under someone, work under a good boss, and you need to work under people you sort of admire and then learn from them. You can learn a lot by working under someone, And if you're working under someone, the person is already successful. It's an established business already. So you learn from that. And then you should actually read as much as possible. All these तपाईँको strategy बनाउने त्यो toolsहरू हुन्छ नि, all your 5 forces, SWOT analysis, that really helps. It does. It's there, it's popular because it really helps. And you put all that together and then you start looking at what you need, and then your mentorship is actually a very, very you need to like say for example, if I'm trying to raise capital, then there'd be a person that I'd probably want to talk to. If I'm scaling up and building my hardware infrastructure, for example, and there'll be someone else I'll talk to. If I'm thinking of outsourcing my thing, there's someone else I want to talk to. And if I'm designing my UI, someone else you want to talk to. So एकजना मान्छेले मात्रै पुग्दैन. There's a broad spectrum of skills that you need, and you build आफूलाई चाहिने चिज हेर्ने, पढ्ने, बुझ्ने, खोज्ने, कुरा गर्ने नै हो कि. There's no other way about it, And one person is going to give you all the ज्ञान, त्यो पनि गाह्रै होला पाउन. That's what I feel like.
Thank you very much for watching us on YouTube. Make sure that you also listen to us on Spotify.